Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your phone number to your Bitmoji account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the phone option, meaning that you will have to type in your phone number, and then you should press the button verify in order to finish this process. You can also tap on this button saying let others find me using this number, so that other people, including your friends, will find you easily on this application by the help of your phone number. After tapping on the button verify, Bitmoji will send you an SMS to verify your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.